time at TT. Don't, bro. I don't know how he doesn't own
Okay,
this.
well, here you go.
Yeah, I know for sure you own this. I own it. I'm broke.
It's a Skilltree Rizzler backpack. It's a Skilltree Rizzler. Go grind. You have a go grind.
Hey, what do you see, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're checking out the new Skilltree update thingy-majig.
Guess what? You can still buy it.
Yeah.
What's your Dora the Explorer backpack?
Get your ass over here.
That backpack looks like it's from Dora the Explorer.
I'm gonna check out the new update.
Something's really wrong with this guy. His body's.
I already bought some stuff. And I'm broke because I had to buy one of those.
You guys opened it.
Oh, I put the cool. Yeah, I put the cool part.
Hey, police, are you trying to arrest me? Are you trying to arrest me?
No.
I put a bomb on this guy. What's in there? Are you gonna die? Are you gonna watch it for you?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna make them kiss.
Bro. Brad, are you gonna die?
Hey, I wasn't pushing your body around. Shit. Bo's dangerous.
Who wants my backpack? Oh. Bro, why don't you want to press it? Take the backpack! I want to press it.
No, I'm just trying to get it in the
No, I don't. Nice. Oh, dang.
No.
Yeah, look.
Do you die?
Yeah, I just got my stuff stolen. Yep, I'm gonna go yell at his ass. Alright. Give that back. Bro, give me my backpack, bro. Give me my backpack.
Someone buy me the new bundle now.
Give me my backpack, bro. And the jumpers.
What is that?
Give him.
Where'd you find that?
Bro, give my stuff back.
No, I don't know how to control this. I might fall.
I'm gonna touch you. Come here.
Back in the game after a while.
Man,
what's
fuck
going
you,
on,
Blue.
guy? Oh, what'd I do?
You stole my shit and jumped into those.
Yo, you just grapple now?
Who wants to know how to get the grappler?
Whoa, free stuff! Whoa!
Oh man.
You reporting me? What I do?
Who wants to know how to get a grappler?
Bro, you can't report. I blocked you. Stupid. Oh, you. God damn. Oh shit, that's the wrong person.
Ego. Oh. Why are you gonna report me from the Discord?
That's the last time I tried to do it.
Don't you dare watch
Bro,
me.
sell
Don't you dare
those.
watch me.
Sell those.
Don't even.
Sell those. Bro, please. So, I'm gonna touch you.
Dang. Here, steal it.
Stop it.
Alright. Time to go hunting for some gold like how I do.
Can I come with you?
Fine.
No risk, no trap.
Don't try, no risk.
Bro, what did I do to you, Blue? What did I do to you? Why you hit me with a stick? You meanie! I'm telling my mommy about this. We're gonna get big trouble.
It's pretty scary down here. I don't know about it. Are you gonna die?
Alright, Pookie Bear.
After we start all over again. I'm mad. I'm so mad. Like, bro. Why? I am so mad. I am so mad.
Oh, Blue, come on. Come on, Blue. Come on.
Why open it?
Come on, Blue.
Wait, don't do it. Wait. Don't just empty.
Blue, you got the chicken on you.
It didn't work. It fell in the water. This is so much fun in here.
Yeah, I'll buy you.
I'm gonna get some fun in it.
I'll buy you new map.
I do know Roblox. Whoever knows Roblox, say yes.
Yes.
Give that back, boy. Give
You
that
don't know
back.
what Roblox is?
Give it back.
I know Roblox. Gotcha. Get some free Roblox game like right.
Where are we?
Can somebody buy me a back?
Not that way.
Definitely not. Well, I just got this game. What do we do?
Huh?
Well, I just got this game. What do we do?
Oh, it's like Lethal Company, but with gorillas.
What are you doing over here?
PvPs
Are you a mimic?
or not?
No, what do I look at a mimic? No, I'm trying to.
Bo, mimics can steal people's voices now, Bo. It's so scary.
Oh yeah, so scary. Anyway, I'm just trying to get some. I'm trying to get in this cave to get myself some gold.
Yeah, me too. I've completely forgot the way because, you know, it changed.
I already know the way, so just gotta get this mimic out the way. Move you.
Yeah, look at that, Bo. They can steal people. Oh, shit. What the fuck?
Come.
Yeah, I'm gone.
Hello.
Where's the way again? Remember?
Shit.
Come on.
Not that way.
Where's the way again?
This way.
Start right.
Not this way. This
Oh
way.
wait. See you later.
The mimic still coming. Yeah, I'm returning. I ain't doing
Oh,
that.
see you later, man.
No, actually,
We'll see you later, man.
You know, I'm coming with you.
Gosh dang it! I was hoping you'd leave because I want to get all the gold for
What you
myself.
want?
Hey.
Hey,
Wait.
I'm greedy and I'm
Wait,
selfish.
don't we all get it when people sell it?
Oh yeah, you're right. We're fine.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just selfish.
So
and
you
greedy.
would even get even more gold with me. So we get more
yeah,
money.
right. Come on, get down here. Alright, now follow me. Down here we go.
Now this is more sketchy.
Blue, do you want a backpack full of bombs?
Okay.
Wait, should we switch to a different channel so if we lose each other, we can easily find people?
Over here, right there.
Hey, you.
I believe I can fly.
I believe I can fly.
Oh, it's gonna. Alright, we gotta get right there. And I'm not gonna do that shit, so I'm gonna go up here.
I believe I can fly.
Then we could just. And there it is.
That's the last hallway thing.
You can do it on
There's another mimic and scary
Oh,
lady
big
here.
is.
Scary lady. Send it. Oh my god, you steer bitch ass.
Why is the lady still? Oh wait, no. Why is this lady still here?
Yeah, why is the lady still here?
How do you have it? Oh, good.
Did you?
14. I don't need 14
I don't want to be here no more.
I just wanted to.
Cacao, bird. Huh? My body.
I'm gonna grab a new. I grabbed two.
I'd never do it though.
I'm not doing that again. I'm not.
Let's do this.
Say sorry.
Go the
away.
Nose
Come to
reindeer.
Come here. Come here.
Ah!
Get over
There's
here.
his decorations on it. There's his decorations.
I'm gonna check out this.
I can really hit this man. Like, look, I can hit him.
Okay.
Back up.
Come to daddy. Come to daddy, Pookie Bear.
He's over here. He's over here.
Hi, Skibbity. Oh, I'm gonna buy tax evasion whenever I can.
Yeah.
Whenever I can get tax evasion,
He's all the way up here.
I want tax evasion. What is all down here?
He's up here.
All the
He's up here.
skills?
Follow me. Go back up.
Is this just all the skills? Like tax evasion, which I don't need. This also can't get. Ah, no shit.
How do you get started? How do you get the upper?
Oh, I don't want to go.
Don't follow me.
Tomorrow, but
I won't kill you, bro. That's the one you have to get first. This leads to the better stuff.
Fuck! I'm gonna touch you. I'm gonna touch you. Come here.
Does anybody got?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Nope. It's fine.
Okay, no. We're this one then. I can't even. No.
Come here. You can't do it. Oh shit! You just kicked. Damn it! I'm sorry. Oh,
Who's the guy who
you
killed?
can kick people out. Hold on. Give me it. Give it. Come on, Red. It's okay. Hey, just give up your headset. Give it.
What?
Mom said it's my. Mommy said it's my turn. It's my turn on it. My turn. My turn. It's my. Fuck. Shit. Bitch. Fuck.
Oh!
Fucking
Killed himself. Blue done killed himself.
Whoa, bro,
That's
you need
crazy,
to
Blue.
chill. You need to chill.
That's crazy, Blue.
There's nothing in
Come
here.
here.
That's crazy, Blue.
I didn't do nothing. That's my turn. I'm gonna kick this guy off. Cause it's my turn. Mom said it's my turn on the
What's
headset.
goody, chat?
Give it. What's goody, my gang? Alright, but I need to actually get in there before this guy gets too far. And then I can't.
What do you do
Red.
to get on?
I'm not red.
Come here.
How do I get this? How do I?
Oh, shoot.
Where's that guy?
You have that? Do you have tax evasion?
Yes, I
Oh
I'm
shit!
Bro, in his room.
Yes!
I don't think he's got where I was.
Where am I? Oh, I hit the table.
First. Who wants to know?
I'm gonna touch you. I'm gonna touch you. I'm gonna touch you. I'm gonna
Look at this.
touch you.
It was so small. The thing was so small. That was almost cute. Go. It's a secret.
Come here, Pookie Bear.
What is this?
Oh yeah, come sit
Because I need it.
Oh shit.
What is it? On top of this block.
Oh, shoot.
Come here.
I'm not even 5. I'm like 55.
Ah! Let me touch you. Let me touch you. Let me touch you. I'm gonna get you. Come to it.
Give me. Do it again. Jump. Jump.
I'll jump in like 3 business days. 3 to 4 business days. Come here.
Just like that.
Come here, come to daddy. Come here.
I did not fucking.
Oh my gosh, Jude.
Come.
Oh my god, get you.
Come here. Come to daddy. Boing. Come here.
Oh shoot. No, not that. I'm taking him running away. Green, kill this guy. Kill this guy, Green.
I'm coming back.
Green. Can you see that thing? Come here. Call him out. Hey, you.
Suicide bomber. Suicide bomber. Suicide bomber. Suicide bomber.
Where they can buy,
Who the fuck is calling me?
Give me back my fucking shit right now, you fucking motherless pussy! Oh shit. Where the
What do
fuck
you
is my
want?
shit, you asshole?
What?
What? And where the fuck is he?
it's because
What?
Where's his fucking ID right now?
not on the fucking
Why
news
did you
for
lose,
this.
bro? Come on, pussy, where the fuck are you? What items did you
I'm
lose?
gonna touch you.
What items did you lose?
Yeah,
Where the
I'm
fuck
gonna
are
watch
you?
you while you sleep.
Where are you?
Yeah, if you're on RPG ammo, when
Oh, you are nicking
like
me. I'm looking for red. Then I might give it back.
Where's Red
Where the
at?
hell are you?
Yeah, where's Red at, bro? Where's Red at?
Let me guess, you want...
Did
I
Red
just
also
want my
kill you?
Fucking...
Did Red also kill you?
I just want my
No,
damn... whatever the fuck it's called.
Mine.
I just want my goddamn hoverboard back.
I'ma
Give me back
touch
my
you.
damn hoverboard.
Give me my damn hoverboard. Meow, meow, meow.
I'm just gonna hoverboard in the water. Oops.
Hey, please
Where are
give
you
me
pulling? I'm here. Through your
But I love the skill tree, bro. I just love going and
I will give you damn RPG ammo if you buy me a damn whatever the fuck you want to call it. Hoverboard.
Three,
Are you a suicide bomber? Are you about to suicide yourself?
1. Alright, I'm throwing your ring on the water.
Boing,
Alright, I'm just throwing your ring on the water. It's gone.
boing.
He actually did. I don't give a shit about the
I'ma fucking touch you. I'ma touch you. I'ma touch you.
I could easily earn that.
Oh my. My Oculus.
Who has the god? Where the fuck is it, bitch?
Red.
Where the fuck is you little pussy?
They threw it in the ocean. They threw it in the ocean.
Okay, shall I start?
Green cat. Yo, wait, over here. Green cat, over here.
Bro, he's doxing.
849. Dumbass. Green cat, come here. Look,
I'm
I have it
coming.
over here, bro.
I'm coming to you right now. I'm gonna
Where's my
touch you
shit?
alive. Who said?
Follow
I'm sorry.
me. Follow me.
Whoa, bro.
And I'm a nigga.
Sorry. Hey. Hey. Hey, yellow.
Yellow.
Get your hands off me, boy. You're such an elders, boy.
Where are you? Where are you?
Come here.
It's right
No,
there.
no, come here.
Let's go take a dip in the water. It's right there.
Shit. Suicide bomber. Oh shit! I'm sorry. Please. I just
where
wanted
are
to
you?
smooch. I just wanted to smooch you.
No, it's not up there. I already threw the water. I threw the ring in there. So what? Come
here. Oh,
shit. That's on a landmine. Now I'm gonna die. Green, where are you?
Damn.
You blew himself up. Where's the elders?
No, because now I'm getting diamond out.
And I'm gonna be going saying womp womp, and when I have a fucking knife to your throat.
Yellow. Yellow.
Toodaloo, pusher.
So can you buy me ammo?
Yep, got it.
I need. Wait,
Wait,
Black. I didn't get ammo.
Yellow.
Black.
Yellow,
Black,
come and
give
get
me the ammo, then I'll put my.
Come here, bro. Oh shoot!
That's right. I got payback. I got payback. What would you want? That's right. I got payback.
Give me.
Can somebody buy me a revolver?
Bro, what the
buy me a revolver?
fuck is that laugh?
Dude, you're supposed to give me it.
Damn. All I wanted was a flashlight. That's so hard to ask for. Damn. Oh, I just wanted a flashlight. I didn't want to get explosive shoved up my ass and exploded.
Come here, bro.
Fuck?
Look here.
You wanna go to the
Come here.
haunted house?
I'm gonna kiss you.
Yeah,
That's a guy's free candy.
He's always pretty good.
Damn, bro. I didn't even know there was a landmine there. God damn, I'm caked up. I am for real caked up.
Bro, get my bag. Bro, what's inside your bag? What's inside your bag? No, bro, actually, give my bag, bro. Give my bag. Take my Sigma boy.
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Come to daddy.
You're just too broke to afford one. Give me my bag. I can afford one. Bro, then give me my bag. You buy your own, bro. Give me my bag. Right, come here. Look, wait, stay right there. Stay right there. Or I'm not dropping it. Go out of the machine.
I can buy.
Go in the safe zone. Go in the safe zone. I'm not dropping it. Go in the safe zone.
Damn, I was so close. If only I pressed that button
Go
while
in the
you're
safe
still
zone.
in
I'll
the
give it to you
machine.
maybe.
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
Sigma boy. Or go in the safe zone then for a minute.
No, bro, give me my bag.
Safe zone. I'll give you the bag back.
Bro,
Go inside the machine.
Safe zone and I'll give
Go
you the
inside the
bag
balloon.
back.
Hey, Bob.
no, you give me my bag.
I need a bomb.
Got his ass. Alright, now sell the bag, sell it.
Yeah,
I got 2 revolvers.
Quickly, he's gonna respawn soon. Got it! Oh shit, it's about to explode. Run.
Stole the bag. You have 2 flashlights.
It's gonna
in it.
explode. Or not.
It's not that deep. I don't know why you need to store
It's gonna explode now. It's gonna explode. Don't go over there.
Cat.
It's gonna
Yeah, watch out, bro.
explode. What the fuck? I thought it was gonna. Yippee! I knew it. Bag. Sigma boy,
My backpack had like a million ray guns in it totally, bro. I'm joking. It had nothing in it. Sigma boy. Bro, look, check the bag. There's nothing in it. Sigma boy.
I'm gonna go touch everybody.
Oh, wait a minute, bro. I just got a freaking.
Oh yeah, here's your reward. Here's a reward. A
Come here,
backpack
Pookie
and a
Bear.
gun.
Come to.
Okay. Wait, can you give me one? I know, but can I get one? Can you buy me one?
Well, why is his
Who
mouth
wants
moving
these?
but he's not talking? I'm about to touch my friends.
Wait. Can you
I
give
got
me
you.
one of the bombs?
Weird up here.